Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Halima Siddika, lecturer in English at Mohammad Kamil Madrasa, Marisi. Those who are watching my class, you know that this class is brought to you by Mohammad Kamil Online Madrasa. At the very beginning of starting my class, I would like to thank you all of you to join with us. Actually, today I am here to discuss a very common and important topics for all classes of students. That is right form of verb. You know, to make a sentence in a correct way, you have to follow some rules and regulations. Otherwise, you can't make correct sentences in grammatical part or in writing part. So, in that case, today's class is most important for all classes of students. So, what's your duty? Definitely, you need to be more careful and attentive to my lecture. Am I right? Thank you, my lovely students. Okay, you know, this is my first class on the topics of right form of verb. I will take more classes on the topics of right form of verb to make it easy and understandable for all classes of students. But today I will show you some rules based on tense, obviously related to my today's topics. You know, we get 4 types of tense, that is 4 types of present tense, that is present indefinite or simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. And now the question arises again, how you can understand as it is present indefinite or any other tense. What is the clue by getting this type of idea in changing sentences? Okay, now look, I will show you some sentences and you have to understand the meaning of the sentences. If it is related on universal truth, habitual fact or near future or historical event or any proverb, it definitely turn into present indefinite tense. Look, what I said, that is universal truth, habitual fact, historical event and near future, and the main thing, that is proverb. Look what I am going to writing on the board, that is, look, for the first sentence I am writing, he come tomorrow. And if you look in this sentence here, that is tomorrow, that is, it is indicating word of future. But if I translate or if I relate in present indefinite, because it's coming in future, that is present. Okay, so as it is third person singular number, you must remember in present indefinite tense. If the subject is third person singular number, you have to add verb with s or yes. Okay, what you use, that is he comes tomorrow. Okay, Understand? Okay, thank you. And again, I'm writing another sentence, that is, look, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Okay, and by getting the idea, you definitely get that it is also related on history. That is, as it is historical moment, so you can transform it or you can shape it in present indefinite tense. What is the answer? That is, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal. Okay? Get my idea? Okay. Then another sentence I'm writing, that is, we get oxygen from trees. And look, what is the meaning or what we can get from this sentence? That is universal. So, as it is universal, you have to shape it, that is present indefinite. And look, in present indefinite, verb must be in present form, and as it is first person, so you can't change in that type of sentence. And the answer is what? Look, we get oxygen from trees. Okay, understand? Yes. Again, I'm giving you another example, that is, look, I always take tea in the morning. So look, it is also reflex, that is habit. Okay, so as it is habitual, then it is also present indefinite. So what is the answer? Look, I've always take tea. That is no change. Okay, understand? Okay, again I repeat this. If you get the point, that is historical event, universal truth, habitual fact, and near future and also proverb, you can shape it present indefinite tense. Clear? Okay. Now again I am showing you some more examples, but before that I can use here some indicating word that you can get in present indefinite. What is the indicating word? Look, if you can get in any sentence always, regularly, sometimes, often, every day, occasionally, usually, normally, and many other words. If you get this type of word or an indicating word, it is also transformed in present indefinite. I am showing you an example, that is, look, generally, here I am writing also generally. Okay, generally a good student pay attention in his studies. So look, here in this sentence you also get an indicating word that is generally. What I said before, that is, if you get this type of word that is generally, normally, often, every day, and sometimes, usually, normally, it must be shaped in present indefinite tense. If you notice this sentence, a good student, it is third person singular form. So what is your duty, or what can you put here? That is after verb, that is you can use here pays. Understand? Okay, thank you. Again, I am giving you another example. He visit his native village. Native village often. So here is also an indicating word of present indefinite, and also as it is third person singular number, here we can use visits. Understand? Okay, thank you. Now another example I am giving you. Look and understand which type of tense it may be referred, that is English is speak all over the world. Look, English is speak all over the world. What type of tense it is? Do you know? Or which type of tense we can use here? Look, after subject you can use here that is, and is may be referred in present continuous. But what can I do over the sentence? Remember always, if you get the idea in present indefinite, that is subject is not active to do anything, it must be formed in passive form. So as it is passive form, verb must be reformed in past participle form, that is spoken. So what is the answer? English is spoken all over the world. Understand? Okay, thank you. I think this type of rules you must be cleared. Okay, now how you can get the touch in present continuous? So I'm also clear it is that is in present continuous you also get some indicating word. And now look, I'm writing some indicating word of present continuous, that is now, today, at present, day by day, day after day, at this moment, increasingly, okay. If you get this type of indicating word, it must be shaped in present continuous. So what I said, present continuous. Okay, look, I'm writing one sentence that is, now I discuss the roles of right form of verb. So in this sentence, which type of tense you can use? Yes, that is here an indicating word that is now. As it is now, So you can transform it, that is present continuous. And what is the answer? That is after subject you can use auxiliary am, and also verb, that is discussing. So what is the answer? Now I am discussing the roles of right form of verb. Understand? Okay. Again I am giving you another example of another tense, that is present perfect. So in present perfect you also get some indicating word. Just you have to memorize this indicating word and practice regularly, then you can get easily to touch or to write the sentences in correct way. Now in present perfect, that is just now, already, yet, never, ever, lately, recently. Okay? Again look, what I say, just now, already, yet, never, ever, lately, recently. If you get this type of indicating word, you can use the tense as a present perfect. Now, I am giving you an example. Look, recently he joined a multinational company. Okay? Look, here this is recently, that is indicating word of present perfect. So, what is the answer? After subject you can use, that is he has, and verb past participle form, and the answer is recently he has joined a multinational company. Okay, got my point? Thank you. And the last role of present tense, that is present perfect continuous. How can you get the touch? Look, it's very easy to get our touch in present perfect continuous. Look, for the first time I am writing a sentence, that is I teach you for half an hour. Okay, look here, for, and after for it's a time. If you get in any sentence for or since and then time, you can shape it in present perfect continuous. And what is the answer? Look, I have been teaching you for half an hour. Okay? Okay, I am giving another example. That is, it rained. Cats and dogs since morning. Okay? Look, here also since and then time. So, it may be, that is present perfect continuous. What is the answer? That is, it has been raining. Okay? And the other words are the same. Understand? All these type of sentences, are you clear? Definitely. Thank you. So, now again, I request you, what is your duty? Yes, definitely. You have to practice it at your home. You know, the common proverb that is, practice makes a man perfect. So, there is no alternative to practice. And I have a request for all my students. Please keep in touch with your studies. If you really want to get success in your life, remember always this type of word. Thank you again, my lovely students, for watching my class, and I hope inshallah you will also join in my another classes. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.